Hey everyone, my name is Cliff Vieira. My wife Jodie and I opened Crafted DIY Studio and Bar with the hope of fostering creativity, pride, and a sense of community in Peoria's Warehouse District. It's been quite a year to open a new business and just to live life, frankly, but we're so thankful and honored to partner with Crittenton Centers during this first ever virtual festival. So I want to talk more about that, but first I'd like to introduce my talented and highly skilled wife Jodie to tell you more about Crafted and give you a tour of our studio.
Hi, I'm Jodie Vieira, and I want to tell you a little bit about my business, Crafted DIY Studio and Bar. We are a DIY studio, so we have several different projects that people come in and do, and we provide them with all of the materials and the tools and the instructions. And we're also a bar, so we've got lots of yummy cocktails and beer and wine. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of our space and then demo one of our projects.
So now that you know a little bit more about what we offer in studio, I want to talk about how you can enjoy the crafted experience in the comfort of your home. Did you know that we sell over 13 different projects online with various designs you can choose yourself? And did you know that we also offer kids kits and a monthly subscription box? And did you further know that we have 3 different DIY craft cocktail kits too? So we offer local pickups, so we ship anywhere in the country, free on orders over $55. So keep us in mind for a unique Christmas gift, a stocking stuffer, gift card, or a way to bring some comfort and joy to your own home during this winter season. I mentioned earlier our goal to bring something unique to the Peoria area community. But with that, we also wanted to give back to the local community that supports us. So the entire reason we've partnered with Crittenton Centers and other charities to support local organizations to give back. And it's also why 50 cents of every drink we sell in studio goes back to the local charity and has since opening day in March. After moving around most of my life, one thing obvious to me is that home is really about having a strong family, and strong families are what build strong communities. And because of that, we're thankful to have Crittenton Center supporting our community family in Peoria, and we thank you for supporting them and Crafted DIY Studio and Bar. All right, so now for the fun stuff. I'm going to put Jodie back on your screen and give you a quick overview of the Comfort and Joy farmhouse sign. Each kit has detailed instructions for you to follow and create your own crafted experience at home. We look forward to seeing your completed projects by tagging Crafted DIY Studio on social media and hope to see you all back in studio soon. Thanks and Merry Christmas.
Welcome to your virtual crafted experience. Today you're going to be making the Comfort and Joy farmhouse sign. Your DIY kit came with step-by-step tutorial instructions, wood board, stencil, a foam brush, a stippling brush, 2 colors of paint, you can choose either color for the background, hanging hardware, sandpaper, and a burnishing card. The other materials you'll need are a hammer and a pair of tweezers. So just follow the step-by-step instructions, make sure that you read them thoroughly, and reading a couple of steps ahead is very helpful. Happy crafting and have fun!